Refrigerator door not sealing properly can cost you big money? A refrigerator door that doesn't seal properly causes energy waste and food spoilage. You can diagnose and fix air leaks by checking and maintaining the door gasket, adjusting the refrigerator's alignment, and clearing blockages. Check the door gasket. The most common cause of a poor seal is a faulty door gasket, the rubber seal running along the edge of the door. Clean the gasket. Over time, food crumbs and spills can make the gasket sticky or dirty, preventing a complete seal. Clean the gasket with warm water and a mild detergent. Dry it thoroughly. Inspect for damage. Look closely for tears, cracks, or hardened sections. If the gasket is damaged, it needs to be replaced. You can usually purchase a new seal from the manufacturer or an appliance parts store and install it yourself. Test the seal. Perform the paper test to confirm the seal's integrity. Close the door on a strip of paper, like a dollar bill or a thin piece of paper. If you can easily pull the paper out with little resistance, the seal is weak at that spot. Repeat this test around the entire door. Adjust and level the refrigerator. A refrigerator that isn't level may have doors that don't hang correctly, leading to an uneven seal. Check leveling. Use a level on top of the appliance to ensure it's sitting correctly. The front should be slightly higher than the back to allow the doors to close on their own. Adjust feet. Most refrigerators have adjustable leveling feet or rollers at the bottom. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions on how to adjust them. Clear blockages. Ensure nothing is physically preventing the door from closing. Check shelving and bins. Sometimes, items on door shelves or overcrowded refrigerator shelves can stick out and block the door's path. Rearrange items to allow for clear closure. Inspect hinges. Check that the door hinges are clean and not damaged or bent. Damaged hinges can cause the door to sag, which will prevent a good seal. By following these steps, you can fix most air leaks and improve your refrigerator's efficiency.